when I do one of these exercises where I play, and I'm playing with words and images, quite often it sits in the back of my mind and it percolates, and something will come out a year, a day, a week, a little bit later. And these things come back to you because you're busy subconsciously, your brain is still working on them. And that visual connection is so strong. It just adds another element to the thinking by putting it down visually and by creating something visual. And it doesn't have to be, a Monet. It really doesn't. It's really about having a bit of fun with color. And, there's something quite fun about just ripping something out of a magazine as well. It's almost that feeling of, we are taught as children that you don't tear pages out of books, but out of junk mail, you can. And it's like, this is quite cool. I can just rip this out and it doesn't matter. And I can tear a piece out and stick it down. There's a giraffe looking at me from this travel magazine. I could tear a giraffe and stick it on a piece of paper. Fantastic. Cool. It's the act of tearing a piece of paper and just pulling it out. And it's a very spontaneous act. And I think that all of these things are, add to the physicality of the experience, which then reinforce the mental process of problem solving in the background.